Are you ready to learn your Hogwarts house? Oh yeah? Okay, the very first question. River or forest? Maybe these will motivate your answer. Okay, 1 tree on each answer. Which one? Forest. Let's go on to the next question. What are you most looking forward to learning at Hogwarts? Every area of magic. Hexes and jinxes, like spells and shit. Transfiguration, that's turning one object into another object. Secrets about the castle. Apparition, that's the whoosh, and then one day you appear somewhere else. Flying on a broomstick, or magical creatures. What are you thinking? Pick one. Apparition. Interesting. Okay. Apparition. This one's interesting. A troll has gone berserk in the headmaster's study at Hogwarts. It's about to smash, crush, and tear several irreplaceable items and treasures. In which order would you rescue these objects from the Trolls Club if you could? Okay, so cure for dragon pox. Whoops. Student records going back 1,000 years. And mysterious book of rules. Okay, are you ready? So you gotta pick which order you would save these. So, a cure for dragonpox, student records that go back 1,000 years, or a mysterious book of rules. Are you ready? Which one's first? Go. Go. Pick one. Oh, a cure is first. Hey. Get another one. You still have 2 more. Okay, student records. And then the mysterious book. Look. Okay. Okay. Alright, are you ready? This one's a little sad to think about, but we have to think about after you have died. You want to cheat? You gotta sit up. Wait for it. Okay. Do you not care? Do you want them to admire you? Do you want them to miss you but smile? Or do you want them to ask for stories about Birdie Burt? Stay. Wait, look at me. Okay, go. Oh, you want them to admire you. Okay. Once every century, the flutterby bush produces flowers that adopt their scent to attract the unwary. If it lured you, what would it smell like? The sea? Would it smell like home? Would it smell like this? Would it smell like a crackling log fire? or parchment? I mean, I know what I would want it to smell like, but I don't know. Okay, parchment, log fire, home, or deceit. What do you want the Flutterby bush to remind you of? Get a treat. Go. Do you want a treat? You're drooling. Which one do you want? Go. You can get it. Get it, Burt. Get it. You want that one? Yeah. Okay. Log fire. Okay. Now, this is a good one. What pet would you take to Hogwarts? Would you like a cat? You like cats. They don't always like you though, huh? A toad? I like toads. I don't know how to draw a toad. Or would you like an owl? Okay. Owl, toad, or cat? Make your choice. Get it. Get it. Hey, what are you doing here? Ooh, a toad. You heard about the TREATs I have, didn't you? Is that all you wanted? Oh. Oh, you have to choose the kind of toad too? Okay. This is a lot of work. There's a harlequin toad, a dragon toad, a natterjack toad, a comet toad, and a three-toed tree toad. Oh, I like that one. Okay. Okay, which one are you going to pick? Oh, a three-toed tree toad. Okay, heads or tails? Now, dogs have tails, but they also have heads, so I can see that going either way. Oh, okay, good job. All right. It's time to make a decision. Let's see what you got. You got a Gryffindor! High five! That may cause some problems. That may cause some problems because I'm a Slytherin, but we'll make it work. Yes, we will. You've gotten a bunch. Toby. Sophie. Good job.